What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. Man, you guys see the vibes. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, Twitter, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, it's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. You dig. Now, enough of that, guys. You guys see the title. It's another Travis Scott, aka La Flame, merch collab, merch review, whatever you want to call it, video. Today, this one kind of caught me off guard, I'm not going to lie. I originally recorded this footage yesterday on November 19th, 2020. Can you guys believe 2020 is almost over? Hopefully all the bad things that have happened are slowly going to go away, but enough about that, guys. Yesterday I got this email, a little bit during or before the actual Guccimaneverzuz and Jeezy Verzuz battle took place. If you guys don't know what that is, basically, I guess it started on Instagram a couple months ago. Artists, rappers, whatever, go head to head, doing their best 20 songs back to back. I went ahead and just put some of the footage up right now so you guys can actually see it. It was Jeezy, aka Jeezy the Snowman, 8732 What It Do, versus Guccimaneverzuz. Both pop culture icons, hip-hop icons, Atlanta legends, in Magic City Script Club, the vibes. But yeah, guys, this merch collab right here is actually pretty fire if you want to ask me. I'm surprised that there are only two pieces, as you guys can see, in this collab. I'm going to go ahead and actually take a picture and zoom in on the actual collab pieces of the actual merch. It's a little bit different. I think it's really neat that they kind of memorialize this type of drop. It's no wonder that La Flame, would do something like this. He's very in tune with the culture. This is a pretty historic versus battle, for hip-hop, for everything. So a little bit about the history, if you guys don't know. Gucci is, of course, a multi-platinum recording artist from Atlanta. He's beaten murder cases, gone to prison, best-selling author. Of course, we got the book, as you guys can see. And he went head-to-head with Jeezy. I'm sure you guys know Young Jeezy. Big hits, mid-2000s, 2010, stuff like that. And they've been beefing for the last 15 years. So this versus battle was pretty big. Now, when it comes to the actual pieces in the drop, they all have to do with the branding for both Gucci as well as Jeezy. The snowman, that is a typical sign of Jeezy, snow. Jeezy the Snowman, the whole reference, if you don't get it, he was moving a lot of blow, aka the snowman. I remember back in the day, this type of apparel was banned in middle school and high school because it promoted drug-related stuff. If you could find it now, it's probably vintage and it's worth some good money, but enough of that. The snow cone, of course, is famous for, the Wobster Gucci. Everybody remembers when Gucci randomly appeared on the social media blogs with a snow cone tatted on his face, as you guys can see. So that's been pretty symbolic for Gucci's brand, for the last decade or so at this point. Now, as for the overall resale prediction, I think that these pieces can actually fetch some decent amount of money. I think that it's just really dope branding, with the snowman for Jeezy and the ice cream cone for Gucci. They were nemesis. They had a lot of beef together, but the two ultimately decided to put the beef aside last night at the end of the versus battle and perform Gucci's hit, So Icy. For the first time in probably 15 years, I don't think anybody would have ever expected anything like that. But it is 2020, the year of crazy possibilities. So, guys, like I said, I think that there is resale for here for sure. These are historical pieces in the context of what went down. I think that they're a cool time capsule piece for hip-hop as well as pop culture. So I would definitely pick up a piece or two. I think this thing that might resell the most is the actual size. The 2005 long tee offered here in the actual sizes. It's kind of like a meme at this point. Hip-hop was a different time and a different fashion scape 10, 15 years ago. So, it wasn't uncommon to see these ultra big oversized tees, as you guys can see the boys were rocking back in the day. So, I don't know, guys. Resell, it's hard to put an actual number on it. maybe double retail, maybe triple with the big oversized tee. It only takes one person. I've said it in a couple videos. It takes one person to actually start wearing this stuff to bring it back, whether it's Travis or somebody else. I think that this drop is ultimately a little slept on right now because I don't see a lot of people talking about it. These pieces are fire. Personally, I would cop the white one. I might even cop the brown one for the personal. But I don't know. What can we expect? Faster shipping at least. I would say go for them. It wouldn't hurt to get these two pieces, especially because they are so limited. Like I said, it'll only take somebody to start wearing this once or twice for people to regret not copping. Final prediction, maybe the tees hit 150, maybe they get to 200. Don't take my word for it, but I want to hear your guys' side. I want to know who you guys think won, whether it was Gucci or Jeezy. Drop a comment in the comments. Let me know. As always, guys, thank you guys for cooking with us. Let me know if you tuned into that Verzuz. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Stay safe, guys, and as always, peace.